Hello everyone and welcome in today's video where we're going to talk about the binary scope resolution operator. So to get in more deep details of what the binary scope resolution operator is, we need to create a class in a separate file. So in order to do that, we need to go here and we need to hover our folder name, and here you will see add the, the add button, and here just simply click class and just add the class name, and when you're done just click OK. So if you're wondering what this means, the class name, when we enter our class name, for example, our class will be Ognema, and we have two other files, a header and a C++ file. So in the header we are defining our constructor, functions, and variables, and in the C++ file we are just coding. So we are defining them in the header file and we are coding, like we are making the functions to print out the sum of two variables in the C++ files. When you have done this, I don't need to do it again because I already did that. When you do that, just simply go to the file.h and you will see here we have a constructor. If you don't have it, don't freak out, just type it in. And as you see here, we define it like normal. But what is suggested is just put public access specifier so the compiler knows that we allow other classes to use it. When we go to the file.cpp, we see here another type of syntax. Why? What is this? Like, why are we writing code like this? So this is called the binary scope resolution operator. If we don't use the binary scope resolution operator, our program won't know which class does this function belong to. First off, before I give an example, I just want to tell you guys, if you don't know how to install Visual Studio or the C++ compiler, I will recommend a video, and you will get a pop out on the top right of your screen, and it will show you how to install Visual Studio and the C++ compiler. But on the other side, if you're programming on a low-end PC, you might want to install CodeBlocks, which is a easy to use code editor, and it's beginner friendly. So what was I saying is, if we don't use the binary scope resolution operator, our program won't know which class does this function belong to. As you see, we have file, which is the constructor, and with the binary scope resolution operator, we are saying file belongs to the file class. For example, if we go back to file.h, we can make a regular function like void print something. And when we go back to file.cpp, we just write void file. I made a typo when creating the file class, and print something. Oops. Print something. So what we are doing is we are saying to our program, print something belongs to file, and its return type is void. We want to print something. We don't want to make calculations or something. So if we want to get more in-depth with classes in separate files with the header and the C++ file, we will do that in future videos. But for now, I wanted to show you a sneak peek of this feature and what is the binary scope resolution operator. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the other videos.